Today we have impounded 4,000 pieces of telephones that were imported from China by a businessman into Juba, through Juba Airport. Through our inspection, we have concluded that these phones are mixed with the substandard, and these phones are not to go into the market. We have now directed the law enforcement to impound this thing until further investigation is completed. This is the threat we are facing. Some products that are coming in, consumer phones that don't meet the standard of mobile phones that should be used in our country. So we want the public to be cautious when you are buying these phones. Please make sure that you confirm the shop is certified by National Communication Authority and the goods are type approved, so that you don't buy a phone that is not going to work. Because some of these phones, we are now going to engage with the telephone companies to block them on the network. So if your phone is fake, instead of you struggling, please make sure when you are buying some of these phones, some of them might have entered the market. We are doing our best to regulate all the shops and to ask them to at least register. Registration of phone dealer is free of charge. All we need is that we want to make sure that anybody dealing in this phone is able to abide by the standard that we require, so that we stop our country being a dumping ground for substandard goods and electronic waste.